So next we will find out how internally HashSet is not accepting the duplicates. Click on this package explorer, right click on this package com.app3, highlight new, select a class. The name of the class I'm giving M3, and here select this checkbox to include the public static void main in this file, in this program. Now we can eliminate, we can get rid of this auto generated comment. Now create an object for HashSet. HashSet set is equal to new hash set, hash set is equal to new hash set is equal to new hash set. Okay, now set dot, we'll be getting a lot of suggestions from the Eclipse, a lot of methods. According to the requirement you can choose the method. Add. So two actions has been done by the Eclipse. The first one is to import the class java.util.hashset from the java.util package, and keeping the generic style syntax for HashSet object creation. Now you can remove this generic style syntax. As of now we don't need this because we are not using a generic style for this collection program. Without using generics we are developing this collection program. Now add the element, and so let's say I'll be adding same 10, whether it is going to accept the duplicate or not. And add. Now supply 20 dot add supply 10 once again, and dot add can supply 30, and in the end you can print the set. To print the set we'll be using system.out.println statement. How we can get the system.out.println? In short it is SOP in the Eclipse. It is just by typing SYSO and press control enter, we'll be getting enter statement system.out.println. Just supply set, save this, and as you can see a lot of warnings we are getting. To get rid of these warnings we can use annotation. Just type at the rate s in uppercase, suppress warnings within double quotes, supply unchecked. Save this. We'll be getting rid of all the warnings without but except one warning, because to get rid of this warning we need to compulsory use the generic style syntax for creating this hash set object. Now how can I run this program? It is by just typing control F11. Control F11. Observe here, we are not getting any duplicate elements. The elements are unique. We are not getting any duplicate elements. That is why, because internally it is overriding hash code and equals method of object class. Here when we are supplying this element, it is boxing into integer object. Okay, now integer, okay, integer object is boxing into integer object and casted to object type. Now in all the wrapper classes, one of the wrapper class is integer. In all the wrapper classes, hash code and equals methods got overridden to check the objects based on the content, to check the objects based on the content. So that is why we are not getting the duplicates. Now how can I sure about this? That is by just keeping this inside the SOP. So just type SO control space. Now try to keep this inside the SOP like this. SO control space, delete unwanted characters, keep the wanted character, SO control space. Okay. Now what happens here? Here add method, okay, observe here, add method is of return type is boolean. Add method return type is boolean, so it will be returning the value. It will be returning the value. If successfully added, we will get true as the return value. If it is not success, okay, if it is not success, we'll get false as the output. If it is success, if it is inserted to the container, we'll be getting true as the output. If the element is not inserted to the hash set container, we'll be getting false as the output. Now control F11 to run this class. Here the first element that is unique, that is why the return value is true. Second element, once again I'm trying to supply 10. This is a duplicate, okay, this is duplicate, so the element is not inserted into the container, so that is why we are getting false as the output. Once again the same case, false as the output. Then we are supplying 20, that is unique, okay, that is unique element, so that is why it is added to the container, so that is why we are getting true as the output. Once again we are trying to add the 10, it will be resulting false because it is duplicate. Then we are trying to insert 30. This is the unique element, it is not in the container, it is not inserted to the container, so that is why we are getting true. Okay, so then all the elements are in the container are displayed by using this square bracket and by using comma as a separator. Okay, so this is how we can make sure that whether the element is added or not to the container of hash set. Okay, thank you.